Finally made it out. We're alive! Damn, we gotta, this is crazy, this is crazy.
Alright, you going to work?
Oh.
You smell it?
No. Smell smoke, electricity.
Right on.
Some smoke up there. This shit is crazy. He gonna get in there with you? You trying to get? He trying to get out badly. Huh? It's got to be like 8. Yeah. 8:06. Smother.
And they ain't bringing no more.
Thank goodness. I don't know. There gotta be some shuttle bus or some shit. This shit is crazy.
I'm here at the Northern Boulevard trying to look at bus to be there.
This shit is bananas.
Yeah, I'm trying my best.
Craig, what's up? This is Levi. Yo, what's up? It's Bill. Let me speak to Bill. Bill.
There's no way of getting home like that.
We in Broadway and Northern Boulevard. I haven't the slightest idea from here. This shit is crazy.
There's a whole bunch of people standing around.
Fucking Craig gave me the fucking wrong extension.
Do you have how much is it?
Who's this? Emir, how you doing? This is Levi. Yo, what soup is around, man? Let me speak to him real quick. Don't give me his extension, because that's the wrong extension. People keep giving this to me.
No, that's it.
All right, he didn't do the turnover yet? He didn't do the meeting in the morning yet? Nah, oh yeah, the trains, right? Everybody's late because of the train, right? But we don't know how to get there. We are on fucking Broadway, 54th Street, Northern Boulevard. We caught that shit in the beginning, like soon as the train got out of Manhattan. We don't know how to get to work from here. We don't have the slightest idea how to get to work. Do me a favor, write my number down and just give it to Bill to call me. 347. All right. 431.
I get a cab, I'm gonna pay for it.
3056.
Just come out.
All right, cool. Tell him I'm with Will if I don't get it, but just transfer me. Tell him me and Will is stuck. Yeah, me and Will from shipping. All right, but yeah, transfer me. All right.
No, I had
Hey, fella, how you doing?
what's going on with the backup plan over here, man?
Ain't no backup plan ready yet.
Hey,
Hello, Bill?
money, man.
Lou. That was Lou shit. Lou's not working with us no more.